Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Okay, looking like I fixed my monitor then. We were trying to do something on my monitor has been weird as of late, so I was back to what I was trying to do. So we were doing a website on Claude. So obviously, as I was explaining, so if you want to make a website, so this is just more of a general website. It's more open source. It's more general. It's more like insert what you want to insert. So, for example, obviously, can you please make me a world-class, world-renowned, and world-famous website? Yes, you can use GenSpark, as I've been saying, but as they say, I pretty much made everything else. I made game tools. I've made a lot of other certain things. I've made like widgets and everything. As you can see, how to make all this other type of stuff with and so I said to myself, okay, so I can make gaming tools. I can do all this type of other stuff. So what else can I do? Um, so I'm like, okay, so what else can I do? Okay, so let's see if you can make a website. And yes, you can still do this on GenSpark because of the hosting capabilities and everything, but like, obviously here it is. I created a world-class website, including stunning background, um, good backdrop and effects for modern aesthetics, smooth animations, award-winning color palettes, and obviously all the premium features and obviously all the other elements that it contains, like a nice, really upper class, like a real fancy type of website, something like Guess or like Hugo Boss or something along those lines. And obviously optimized for 60 or higher FPS, and obviously it's AI powered because obviously Claude is an AI. Um, so here it is right here. So this is just obviously it's more tech related, but obviously since recent Claude. So it's person next generation digital innovation, cutting edge technology and world class design, and then obviously you're going to explore, and then hit open link. So this doesn't really do anything at all. It just takes you back to the Claude website. So you can just ignore that. So obviously lightning fast, award winning design, enterprise security. Obviously it's AI powered, and obviously we're gonna go into the features. So then when I say open link, it won't really do anything. And obviously I have it in an about and a contact. So this is just okay. So for example, like the features would be obviously since it's an AI, so obviously for example, if you want good designs and you want lightning fast capabilities for your websites or any of your tools, then you can go on Nexus and we'll give you a certain amount of speed, or we'll help you like do a good design or something along those lines. And about, well, we were founded in 2020, just around the COVID time, just before the pandemic hit and everything. And when everything was in lockdown, we started finding clients and we started getting more into the internet's idea. And if you want to contact us, you can obviously go onto our X, our Instagram, and other social medias, or you can email us at obviously info at nexustechnology.com. So that would be kind of it. So like as I say, like it's just obviously simple. And then obviously, let's say now, for example, okay, this is just more of a general perspective. But now let's say, okay, so for example, okay, you know what? I don't want to do technology. I want to do a restaurant. Okay, now this is just, as I say, this is just a general template. But now let's say you want to add a restaurant there. So obviously it would still be uh, the same, a similar type of template. Obviously, it would instead of so it would be lightning service, award-winning food, Michelin star, um, excellent experience. We have chains all around the world. Obviously, we use AI to do a lot of our stuff, and we can go on all devices. We have iPad integration, Samsung tablet integration, iPhone, all this sort of type of stuff. And then obviously we see like who we are. Obviously, instead of features would be a menu, and then obviously an about and a contact of where you can contact us. You can follow us on X. You can give us an email, and obviously, if you're still in Europe to a certain degree, you can give people a call. But again, calling is getting more outdated to a certain degree. But again, not every place is very techy. Or if this was the case in Asia, they would have basically robot waiters. So, and then obviously like certain other like system integrations of how AI can be beneficial to like restaurants and all that type of stuff. And like they would like explain like the system and like everything that they're using and how it would be beneficial for a restaurant or the beauty industry or like whatever it could be. And obviously to America as well to a certain degree as well. So that is pretty much how you would do a website. And then obviously for the hosting capabilities, you can just go on GenSpark or a couple of other places. There are a couple of other competitors, but in the sense of having like something like GenSpark.space, there is a couple of other ones, but in the sense of having really, really good integration, having good artifact system just built into everything, there really isn't any other place for it competitor-wise. So that would be the idea. And yeah, so thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z signing out.